Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download OWASP Juice Shop on your own Kali Linux system. In short, OWASP Juice Shop is deliberately insecure web application designed to help you learn and practice web security and hacking skills. So you can go over to a Kali Linux system. You can go to your terminal and type sudo apt install nodejs. So as I have already installed the nodejs, it is showing me this that it is already installed. And next you have to install this sudo apt install npm. So my npm is already installed, so it is showing me like this, but it will show you some options to download. You can press Y and continue. So next, what we are going to do is we'll check the version if our Node.js is re-downloaded. So our Node.js is downloaded already. It's showing version 22.22.2. And now we'll check if our npm is also downloaded. So we'll check npm b. So it's already downloaded. So 9.2.0. So now for OWASP Juice Shop, what we are going to do is we'll create a new directory as we don't want to make it in our root directory. So we'll use mkdir and we'll name it Juice Shop and we'll cd to it. We'll go to the Juice Shop directory. And here in our Firefox, I've already opened the GitHub repository for the Juice Shop. So I'll provide it to you in the description. You can go here in the code, the HTTP, you can copy the link here and you can just come here and you can type git clone or git clone and paste the link here. So it will start cloning the Juice Shop from the GitHub repository. So as we can see, we have the Juice Shop directory. Now we'll go to the Juice Shop directory and we'll clear the terminal now and we'll see what we have in the Juice Shop directory here. So we have a Docker file here as well. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can also run it through the Docker. But first of all, we'll start with the npm install here. And as soon as the install completes, I'll get back to you. So my npm install was complete and to run it, we can use npm start. But for me, the npm was not working. So we'll be exploring the another way here and we'll be using the Docker to run it. So I have given a command in the description here. You can just go to the description and copy it. And what you can do is you can just go to the another terminal in the Juice Shop directory and you can just paste this command in the terminal. So here the command is going to be the docker run dp and 3000 will be the port and the Juice Shop name. So if you do not have the Juice Shop image, it will automatically pull the image and it will automatically download, but we already have the image here downloaded. So what we'll do is just press enter and we already have our Juice Shop image running. So you can see here in the bar, we have typed the HTTP localhost port 3000. And if we refresh the page, it will load our Juice Shop, OWASP Juice Shop page. And yeah, we are ready to hack and it's working very nice. It's working fully. And to stop the Docker image from running, you can just go to the terminal again. You can type the docker ps to check the container ID. And here you can see we have a container ID, we have the image name and also the port. So you can just copy the container ID and you can type in the terminal docker stop and the container ID. You can paste it from the one you have copied. And now if you can see your Docker is successfully stopped the OWASP image. So to check it, we can type docker ps again. And if we see, we do not see our container and the image. So if we go to the Firefox to check it again, if we refresh the page, we will be unable to connect it. And yes, we have successfully stopped it. So that was for the download of the OWASP Juice Shop on your Kali Linux system. So if you like this process of downloading the OWASP Juice Shop on your computer, on your Kali Linux system, then please do drop a like and subscribe. And also please do let me know that what you want next for the videos. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.